If you have diabetes, then you know how important a healthy lifestyle is. However, a diabetes diagnosis doesn't mean you can't eat the foods you love. Instead of completely ditching your old diet, resolve to make a few small substitutions. By replacing a low-fiber food with a high-fiber version, you can help keep glucose levels under control and feel full sooner, so you eat less. Other little changes can help with portion control and weight loss. Try making a few of these easy changes and see how small swaps can make a big difference in managing your diabetes and your overall health. Eat whole grains instead of refined. White rice and white flour get their pasty color as a result of being refined or having their fiber-rich husk, bran, and germs stripped away. Fiber helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Research has shown that eating whole grains can lower your risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease by 20 to 30%. Replace white rice with whole grains such as brown rice or quinoa and choose bread with a whole grain listed as the first ingredient. Eat dark leafy greens instead of light ones. Unlike nutrient-poor iceberg lettuce, dark leafy greens such as spinach, arugula, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins and nutrients such as vitamins A and C, as well as magnesium and potassium. Darker greens also have more fiber. Toss a couple of handfuls of dark greens into your next salad or add them to a smoothie. You won't even taste them. Eat whole fruit instead of fruit juice. Apples, oranges, and grapes are good sources of fiber, but you need to eat the whole fruit to get the benefits. Juices have all of the sugar of the fruit, but not the skins and pulp. So they lack the fiber that slows down sugar absorption and controls insulin levels. Go for the whole fruit and include antioxidant-rich dark berries as well. If you need something to drink with meals, try water with lemon. Eat steel-cut oats instead of boxed cereal. If you start your day with a bowl of cereal, try a bowl of steel-cut oatmeal instead. Boxed breakfast cereals, many of which are made with refined grains, are often low in fiber and high in sugar. Steel-cut oats are high in fiber, even higher than instant oatmeal, and will slow down the rise in insulin. Newer varieties of steel-cut oats take just a few minutes to cook, or you can prepare them ahead of time and reheat in the morning if you're short on time. Eat from a small plate instead of a large one. Controlling portions is just as important for people with diabetes as choosing healthy options. So much of eating is just visual, and a few small changes can help you feel satisfied with less food. Instead of watching television, working on the computer, or doing something else distracting while you eat, focus on your food and how every bite smells and tastes. Slow down and enjoy it, and you will likely eat less. Try these little changes and see the big difference.
Eat right to get a good night's sleep. Drinking a glass of warm milk before bed will help you sleep better. It is loaded with vitamin C, which is required for healthy collagen production. Its antioxidant properties make it a free radical scavenger.